Hello, I'm Tetsuya Kanda, an assistant professor at Osaka University. This video demonstrates our new tool, didiffff, which is a viewer for comparing changes in both code and execution traces. On reviewing the code changes like bug fix, changes in the source code are useful, and many developers are familiar with this kind of format, like Int'l. On the other hand, changes in the program behavior are difficult to understand. For example, even if the test results has been changed from failed to succeeded, what kind of changes has happened is not revealed. Recording the execution of the program will provide rich information of program behavior. We previously developed a tool, Node4j, which records execution trace and visualizes variable values. Some existing tools deal with comparing multiple execution traces of the same code, different input. We would like to compare execution traces from before and after the code changes. So we proposed a new tool, didiffff, which visualizes both code changes and the difference of execution traces at a glance. This tool is based on our previous tool, Node4j, and mapped the difference of the execution traces on source code. Changes in the code are represented as highlighted lines, and changes in execution traces are represented as highlighted variables. Variables are highlighted based on comparing its value list in the execution traces. You can click a highlighted variable, then two value lists before and after the code changes are displayed. Here is the example scenario of the demonstration. Now we would like to review the debug result of a bug math57 from the didiffff dataset. We learned the test cases before and after the bug fix and obtained execution traces. Firstly, look at this file to review. The project root is displayed. Each node has two indicators. The green one on the left shows some of the files contain the differences in source code, and the purple one on the right shows that there are differences in the execution traces. With these indicators, we can now reach the files where the code change has been made and the execution trace has been changed. So finally, we can see that this file, k-means++ cluster.java, have code changes, and in another file here, which have no code changes but some differences in the execution traces. Now we select this file, then its contents are shown in the source code view. Similar as most text diff tools, deleted and added lines are highlighted. We can see that one line has been deleted and also one line has been added. However, the impact of this change appears after a few lines later. After a few lines with no changes in value, you can see the blue highlighted variable sum, which has been executed the same number of times, but the content has changed. You can also see the green highlighted values around the for loop, which indicates they have different lengths of value list. By clicking the variable sum on line 180, the list of values and its status are shown in the value list view. Looking into the traces in the view, we can see that the last value of sum has been changed, because its type is changed from int to double, so that it's no longer rounded after changing the code. We can ensure that the behavior of the program is changed as expected and the bug is fixed like this. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.